In this tutorial, I'm going to show you another exciting update we've added, featured image for activity posts. With this feature, you can now add a featured image to your posts, making them more visually engaging and helping important updates stand out in the feed. By default, site admins can always add a featured image to posts. As a site owner, you also have the option to allow group owners and moderators to add featured images in their group feeds. Please note that this feature requires the BuddyBoss Platform Pro plugin and is available on both the BuddyBoss web and app. Let's go into the back end and see how this works. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to BuddyBoss, Settings, Activity. Here you'll find the new option to allow group owners and moderators to add a featured image to their posts. When enabled, group owners and moderators will see the featured image option while creating or editing their posts. For site admins, this feature is always enabled. Now let's take a look at this in action. Here in the activity or group feed, when creating a new post, you'll notice a featured image icon in the upper right corner of the post modal. Clicking this opens the uploader, where you can add your image. Let's go ahead and select one. Featured images support cropping and repositioning, so you can adjust exactly how the image appears before publishing. Uploaded images are stored as attachments, but they won't appear in the WordPress media library. If you delete an image before publishing, it's removed right away. And if you leave the page without submitting your post, the image is automatically cleaned up, so you don't have to worry about leftover files. Next, I'll enter a title and some content, then click Post. As you can see, the featured image displays above the content, giving the post a strong visual impact. This feature also works when editing posts or saving drafts, and it's fully supported in the Activity, Meta, and REST API for developers. So that's the new Post Featured Images feature. This update allows your community to create posts that are more engaging and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a BuddyBoss update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.